Everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange and change the order of your pages on your Nintendo Switch. So you can see I have my page, Ruby's page, Jim page right here. Now we can change the order around with these pages. So we can go to System Settings right here, scroll on down, and go to where it says Users. Then you can see all my different users. We can go to Change Order. Then we can choose one and then move it around just like this. So let's put Ruby second and then Rose third and Jim last. Then go to OK. And then back up. Then we can go back to the home screen and you can see the order has been changed on the top left. Ruby is now second, Rose is third, and Jim is last. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.